Hey everyone, I am Bryce, and today I am going to explain to you how to start an LLC with Rocket Lawyer. Firstly, go to the Rocket Lawyer website on your browser. Here you will see the option Start a Business. Click on that and choose the option Start an LLC under the business registration. Click on Get Started and choose Find a Name. It will share a form in the form of your screen. Type your first name, last name, email address, and phone number. After that, hit Agree and Continue option. Now choose the type of business structure you are planning to file. I have chosen LLC and clicked Continue. Now choose your state and continue it. Now answer what will your LLC be doing. As I have answered managing real estate. Select the industry category that best describes your LLC. I have chosen real estate and will continue. Get your tax ID number and make Rocket Law my registered agent. I haven't chosen Rocket Lawyer as my registered agent as I'll choose my registered agent. Now answer, do you want a pro to do your business taxes? After that, protect your company with a registered trademark. Now review your LLC registration summary. The last step is to check out and you are done. On that note, that will be it for this video. I hope you guys got some value. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.